Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share to show you what I do with my extra scraps. I end up with a lot of these when I break down the monthly card kits I receive from the Stamps of Life. And so I end up with a whole bunch of these strips, and they go from this to this. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. So this is the ones that I got from all of that. Putting together my scraps. I got a few. I'll leave the link to this video here where I showed how I made these background papers from the expo. And I cut some apart to use as the backing like you see here. So I made this one today. I made this one today, as well as this one. And this thank yous I received from Cheryl. Thank you, Cheryl, in a meet me with some die cut swap. And then this flower here, as well as this flower I received from Ebony. Thank you so much. She's from Sharing More. And then I also made this one. And then these last couple of ones. So yeah, those were the cards I worked on today. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!